I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your my Redfin app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down, click on my red down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on app notifications, just click on it. So then you click here on types of notifications. You come to next step here. You come here to status changes. Click in this sign or this color. Like you say color, it's gone. That means status changes notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.